Hey, this is Rob Beardsley with Lone Star Capital. I wanted to talk about 2023 and what our goals are as a firm. First off, value add is the core of our business, so we did a very good job in buying and managing our portfolio, all in Houston actually, in 2022. Our goal for 2023 is to expand into Dallas and continue to build on the success that we've had in Houston. So we are a vertically integrated firm, which means we have property management in-house, and that's based out of Houston. The plan is for us to acquire property in Dallas, hire additional staff, and scale up a team in Dallas so we can have also a local presence in both markets. Being local and focused remains a number one priority for us at our firm. We believe that being focused helps us on the acquisition side by sourcing better deals, by getting first looks, last looks, and just having better relationships with the brokers. Also on the focus side of things for acquisitions, it allows us to get to know the market better. We can spend more time, we can get to know the deals better, and that gives us a competitive advantage. And then of course on the operations side, having a local portfolio allows us to manage the portfolio more easily. It allows us to actually successfully run a vertically integrated operation where we have property management and construction management in-house. So all those things go back to focus. The next really exciting thing about 2023 is development. And so as you can see, we're here in Dallas. We've got some great cranes in the sky, some big development going on. We want to launch developments in both Dallas and Houston, so we have some exciting things in the works there. We're working on building relationships, finding the right partners, vendors. It's going to be obviously a big learning lesson for us, so I'm really excited about all the people that we're able to lean on for their expertise as we build in this business, just like we scaled up on the value add side of things. More importantly, for you as an investor, I think development is a very interesting thing to think about in this current environment. Because if you think about acquiring land today and going vertical in a year from now and then delivering in 2025, that timeline I think will be very advantageous. It's always hard to find good deals, but I think finding good land is going to be doable in 2023, and then I think you'll be delivering obviously brand new product into 2025, which I think will be a recovering market. I do believe we will go into a modest recession in the coming year, and I think by 2025 we'll be rebounded. I think the capital markets will be strong, and I think fundamentals will be very strong, and that will put us in a great position to either sell, refinance. I do want to be a long-term holder, and I think long-term holds de-risks development quite a lot. So if you're an investor and you're interested in the appreciation upside of a development play where maybe you even want to get involved at the land level where you're able to get the land lift, and then also the construction process where you go vertical and then you get the appreciation of actually building the property. However, you also want to couple that with a long-term play as well as de-risk the investment, then having a long-term outlook where you build an asset and then instead of selling it off like a merchant builder, you actually hold it. Now you own a brand new asset in a great location. Deferred maintenance doesn't exist. You have obviously a great quality asset in a great location. You're going to have the best tenants, Class A product, and holding it long-term is going to produce great yield, and you'll be in a position to do a cash-out refinance if you so choose, or just have very strong cash flows. So that's something that I invite you to consider, and that's something we'll be working very hard on in 2023 and beyond.